This lesson will focus on demonstrative pronouns. And in English, it's simply this or that way over there. Okay. And in Portuguese, it's a little more complicated just because you have the masculine word and feminine word that you have to consider. Okay. And of course, singular or plural words. And also then you consider if the object you're speaking about is close to you, the speaker, or is it close to the person you're speaking to, or is it far away from both of you? Okay, so I know that's a lot to take in, but again, is it a masculine word or feminine word? Is it a singular or plural that you're talking about? And is it close to you, close to the person you're speaking to, or far from both of you? And so anyway, let's go over it. Here we go. Este, okay, este, basically kind of meaning this. Este aqui, I have in parentheses. Aqui means here. This here, este aqui, or estes aqui, okay. This or these things here with me. If it's a masculine word and it's singular, then it's eschi. If it's plural, it's estes. Okay, but this indicates that the object that is being spoken about is close to or with the person who is speaking. So if I'm sitting down at a computer and I'm working on it, and someone says, "Hey, what is that computer? Where'd you get that computer? Whose is it? Whatever," you can say, "Este computador." This computer right here with me, este computador que estou usando pertenceu ao meu avô. This computer here that I'm using belonged to my grandpa. Okay, but it's the computer is here with me, and because computador is a masculine word and it's singular, you use este. Okay, of course, if it was computadores, plural, okay, masculine, you'd use estes. Okay, but este computador, this computer here, right here with me. Now, if the object is a feminine word and it's singular, then you use esta. And if it's plural, you use estas. Okay. Again, this is with the speaker or close to the speaker or the person who's speaking. Okay. So, example: Esta camisa que estou usando pertenceu ao meu avô. This shirt here that I'm wearing belonged to my grandpa. Okay. You might notice that we used usando in both examples. Usando, like for when you're using a computer, is to use. Usando when you're wearing clothes is to wear. Okay, so the verb usar can be to use or to wear. But esta camisa right here, this shirt right here that I'm wearing, belonged to my grandpa. Okay, if it was plural, camisas, all right, then it'd be estas camisas. But okay, so that's how that works. Now, if you're talking about things that are with the person you're talking to or close to that person that you're talking to, okay, then it's kind of like that. All right, in English, it's if it's a masculine word and it's singular, it's esse, and if it's plural, it's esses. And you can see there on the far left column, by esse and esses, I have in parentheses IE, which means there. That there, okay, with you. So the example: Mãe, passe-me esse livro que está perto de você. All right, Mom, pass me that book that is close to you. Because the book's close to the person being spoken to, it's esse. Okay, it's masculine word, livro, singular, esse. If it was 2 books or 3 books, then it'd be livros, right? It'd be esses livros. Now, if it is a feminine word, and a singular, it's essa, and plural, essas. Again, these are objects that are close to that are with the listener or close to the person who's being spoken to. So, mãe, passe-me essa revista que está perto de você. Mom, pass me that magazine that is close to you. So, revista, it's a feminine word, singular, one magazine, essa. If it was revistas, all right, multiple magazines, it'd be essas, revistas. All right, so now, isto, this, okay, here, is used when the object is unspecified. You're not going to say specifically if it's a a masculine word or a feminine word. It's just isto, just generic. Okay, but again, this is when it's with me, the speaker, or close to me who is speaking. The example I give is é isto que estou querendo. It is this that I'm wanting. I'm not specifying again any specific a specific word. It's not masculine, not feminine. It's just this generic. Okay, this is what I'm wanting. And isso, okay, there, close to you, if I'm speaking to you, is for an unspecified word. O que você acha sobre isso? What do you think about that? I'm not specifying what that is, okay? But what do you think about that? O que você acha sobre isso? So I hope this makes sense. This is how you'd say, again, things that are with you, the speaker, or close to you who is speaking, or close to someone else who you're speaking to. Now, these last few are for things that are far from both the speaker and the person being spoken to. If it's a masculine word that you're talking about and it's a singular, okay, object, then use aquele. And I have in parentheses lá, which means there, way over there, okay, aquele. And if it's a feminine word that you're talking about, you use aquela, okay. So let's go back to the aquele and aqueles first, though. All right, these are things that are far from both the speaker and the person being spoken to. So, masculine word, singular, aquele, masculine word, plural, aqueles. All right, the example, aquele carro estava correndo demais, which means that car over there, away from both of us that we saw, was going really fast. Okay, that car over there, way over there, not close to either of us. If it was carros, okay, which is plural, it'd be aqueles carros. All right. Now, again, if it's a feminine word and it's singular, it's way over there, then it's aquela. And if it's feminine plural, it's aquelas. So the example, aquela casa é muito grande. That house over there, away from both of us, is very big. Is really big. Okay, that house is really big. So casa, feminine word, singular, so it's aquela. Okay, if it was casas, houses, okay, multiple, then it'd be aquelas casas. Aquelas casas, way over there. Okay, and then if it's an unspecified object, it's not masculine or feminine, but it's way over there, far away from both the speaker and the person being spoken to, then it's aquilo. All right, aquilo é bem desejável. Aquilo é bem desejável. That over there, away from both of us, is quite desirable. All right, so that's what that means. So you have este, estes, esta, estas. That's more here with me. Esse, esses, essa, essas, there with the person being spoken to, and aquele, aqueles, aquela, aquelas, which is way over there, away from both of us, away from the speaker and the person being spoken to. And then you have isto, which is just singular, unspecified here, okay? with me, isso, which is unspecified object, there with you, okay, and aquilo, unspecified object, way over there, away from both of us. That's probably as clear as mud, but I hope as you practice this, just get used to saying words that are here with me, there with you, and way over there, away from both of us, and you will start to understand these demonstrative pronouns a little better. All right, thanks for watching.